Hey PebbleGo teachers, let's take a quick tour of PebbleGo and I'll show you how to navigate the platform, support your students, and point out some awesome features you might not be using yet. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see the Home button, which will take you back to the landing page. And within PebbleGo, we have animals, biographies, health, science, and social studies. In the top right, we have our Search PebbleGo, where students can search for a topic or article. We have our English and Spanish toggle, which will translate articles, and our Settings button, which has sounds, animations, copy link, link products, and sign out. In the bottom right-hand corner is our Resource Center, where we post product updates, announcements, and more. Now let's dive into some articles. I'm first going to click on Animals. Once you're in Animals, students will have a variety of options from amphibians, animal behavior, and more. I also want to point out the Games button at the bottom. Within PebbleGo, you'll have a variety of different games to choose from aligned to animals. This is great to keep students engaged, and the question mark will give our littles a little extra help if they need it. Next to games is our question of the day, and once you click on it, it'll prompt students with a question about animals. Now I'm going to choose a topic. First, I'm going to pick animal behavior. If you get there and you realize you don't want animal behavior, you can click back to animals and choose a new topic. I want to stick with animal behavior, so I'm going to click on that and head over to animal adaptations. Every PebbleGo article has a read-aloud feature to make it easier for students if they need that. They can click the play button, and it also highlights each word to make it easier to follow along. The tabs at the top will navigate students through the article, and once they get to the end, they can click Read More, and it will give students more options. At the bottom, we have our site to show students reliable sources. You have the option to download the article and activity for offline learning. And for this one specifically, it has 2 short videos aligned to animal adaptations. This is great to give students a visual, and I like how they're pretty short to keep students focused and on track. The new project button will guide students to our creation tool. The last feature I'd like to point out is our random article button. At the top right, you'll see our random article spinner. If you click on it, it will guide students to a random article about an animal. I really like this if students are having a tough time choosing an article, or it's great for a morning meeting to get students engaged for the day. And that's a short overview of PebbleGo. Thanks for watching.